Good morning. To continue talking about animals that live in water, today we're going to read a story about frogs. What do you know about frogs? Let's see. Splash. Splish splash. What is that sound? What is hopping and jumping around? What loves to swim and loves to eat bugs? It's a frog. Can you hop like a frog? Frogs live all over the world except Antarctica. Frogs usually live in wet places. They like rivers, lakes, and ponds. But some frogs live in trees. Some even live in the desert. Frogs can be found all over the world. Wherever they live, that's their habitat. Croak. Look at this frog. Croaking. Some frogs' throats puff up when they make sounds. Each type of frog makes its own sound. The kokwai frog is named after the sound it makes. It sounds like croaky. This frog is the size of a quarter. Oh, that's very small. Even small frogs can make loud noises. Frogs make different sounds for different reasons. Sometimes it's to warn other frogs of danger. Sometimes it's to call frogs nearby. This frog lives around noisy waterfalls. Other frogs would not be able to hear its calls, so it dances instead. It sticks out one leg and then the other. Can you dance like a frog? Frog food. What is a frog's favorite food? Usually it's insects. Frogs eat dragonflies and crickets and other bugs. Some frogs eat bigger animals like worms and mice. The American bullfrog even eats other frogs. What's that pink flash? It's how a frog catches bugs. It shoots out its long, sticky tongue as it out at a passing bug. The frog pulls the bug into its mouth. If your tongue were as long as a frog's, it would reach your belly button. Oh my goodness, look at that tongue. Every size and every color. Frogs can be many different sizes. The smaller frog is as big as a thumbnail. The largest frog is as big as a rabbit. Frogs can be different colors too. Some are green or brown. Others have stripes or spots. Frogs can be red, yellow, or orange. They can even be bright blue. Watch out! These colorful frogs may look pretty, but watch out. These frogs have poison on their skin. Their bright color warns enemies not to eat them. Poison is something that can kill or hurt living things. This little frog is only an inch long. Its name is Terribils, which means the terrible one. How did it get its name? By being the most deadly frog of all. Oh my goodness, look at that poisonous frog. Frog babies. All frogs, even the Terribilis, have mothers. Mother frogs lay eggs. When the eggs are ready, out pop tadpoles. Tadpoles are baby frogs, but they don't look like frogs yet. Tadpoles have tails. They live only in water. Tadpoles grow up to be frogs. At first, they breathe underwater with gills. They grow lungs for breathing air. They grow legs for hopping and swimming. In 3 months, they lose their tails. It's time to hop out of the water. Toads are frogs too. What is the difference between toads and frogs? Toads are a type of frogs. Frogs spend most of their lives around water. Toads spend most of their time on dry land. Their bodies are built for where they live. There are all different kinds of frogs. What's one thing you learned about a frog? Tell a grown-up and have the grown-up tell me. Have a great day.